Hey everybody, this is Keith Niels again with On Time Construction Consulting as we finish up our job here in Longwood. So this is our custom home finish. This is our master bathroom. That was what this is. Again, custom cabinets. So down below we did toe kick lighting again. So underneath, so you can see it, this is a 24 by 24 inch floor tile. So it's got a little bit more of a gloss to it. So because it's got a higher sheen, so a higher seal finish on top of it. So this is a porcelain countertop. So it looks awesome, very durable. So we get to do a deeper edge with that, which is what we ended up doing. So a little bit thicker edge. So we've got vessel sinks. So the cool part about this is if you look at the vessel, you see how it's dark on the bottom. So that's actually darkened in on the vessel sink itself. So is what it is. The faucets we've got are the ones that are coming out of the wall. So very awesome feature. So again, provides a little bit of a wow factor. So we do have a makeup area to be able to sit out and do makeup, and it steps down. We do keep the backsplash running at a continual height, so for aesthetic reasons. So and then here's where some of your details come in. So you've got to know exactly where everything's going as you do this, so that these pieces here still run the full piece that they're supposed to be, the trim piece under the window, and then the backsplash on the side splash for the countertop, and nothing has to be cut off. So we went ahead and frame the mirrors to go ahead and add a little bit more pizzazz to those. So as you get some beautiful LED fixtures with crystal on the outside, so it gives a great finish. So onto his side, so same thing, same exact look, mirrored from one side to the other, of course, as you can see. Same sink, same everything. So it looks awesome. We've got our shower over here. So shower, I always love these whenever there's so many different features on this part that I love. So we've got the roll-in shower, so which means there's no step, literally same height as what the main floor is. So you can roll in. This is an age-in-place type of shower is what it comes down to. So you're able to roll right into this. So, and then you've got a linear drain down here. That's with the line that you see around there. That's actually the drain, so the water runs in there, and then there's a drain underneath that where everything goes out. We did the waterfall, so for the tile. So I love it whenever we do this. This is down the wall, and the best way, and to me the most complete way to do it is whenever it hits the floor. The flooring is the same exact material, because then it literally looks like a waterfall falling down the wall and hitting the bottom and then spreading out. So we went with the gold fixtures. So these are the matted gold fixtures that are very popular at this point right now. So you've got a hand shower over here, you've got the head there, and then up above you actually have a rain shower also. So little hidden shampoo niche. So on the side over here to put some products in. So then you've got your valve, so which has your diverter. Literally you can run the shower head by itself. You can run the shower head in the handheld. Run the handheld by itself. You can run the handheld in the rain shower. You can run the rain shower by itself, or you can run the rain shower and the head, or you can turn them all on at the same time. All operated from one control valve right there. So we've got the frameless enclosure around it, which is very nice. So it goes ahead and keeps minimal, and we actually do the same finish, the same gold finish. So for the clips to hold the glass in place. So this one really has come out wonderfully. Oh, and one of my favorite features, so in here, so is this is a ceiling fan. So is what it is. It's LED lights on the outside of the frame, so and then the fan is on the inside. So and even though the fan looks small, so it moves a ton of air. So whenever it's on, I turn it on, except for right now the remote's in another room. So everything in here is looking really good. You've got your own private water closet on the side over here, and then it goes out into the master bedroom.